Today we'll talk about pulley system and how to attach it properly to the buoy and what's new in it compared to the previous models. Attachment goes the same way. This is the handle, which is pushed with the arm, and this side goes towards the bottom weight. So start putting the rope through their handle, under their metal pin, and the stopper should be in an open position. So not in this position, but in an open position so it can squeeze the rope. So stopper in open position, put through, that's it. And then check quickly. So this is the bottom weight, and I grab it, and when you pull, it should stop. Check there how it holds. And compared to the previous model, here the main thing is the design and shape of the handle. So here we have a handle which is like protecting the arm from the rope more. So when you manipulate the rope, you can press and open the pulley system without a risk of getting any of the rope touching the skin. Material-wise, the new pulley made of aluminum, A6061, and 9-on-9 pulleys, and they are sitting on stainless steel axis, and that will make them faster and less friction compared to the previous models of our pulley. Performance-wise, with the test of rescuing from 30 meters with a freediver on the end of the rope, it worked really well with comparably less effort compared to previous pulley with the speed of 1 meter per second. So the rescue of 1 meter per second was tested and didn't require so much effort. And that's the main purpose of the pulley. Historically, the pulley was made to organize the safety during the deep dives or deeper dives, and their ease of handling the rope was the one which actually come handy together with this. But the general idea of this is safety, of course, and every freediving instructor or freediver who have the pulley, the first thing to do is not really just enjoy the ease of operating the rope, but really to test and to practice with the rescuing of freediver or double weight. It can be double bottom weight, to make sure the procedure is known, and in case of emergency situation it can be done fast. Another thing about assembly is to make sure that the rope, beside being attached to the bottom, there is a second point of contact. For the safety reason, there should be always more than one point of contact. So when it's attached to the bottom, the free end is very good to attach with a carabiner to the handle, for example. That's how I do it. And then it provides an additional point of contact. So in this case, it's guaranteed if something, if the buoy is old, if the D-ring is old, and something happens with the buoy, something happens with the D-ring, it stays on the side handle. So that's super important. So 2 points of contact, even though it is aluminum pulley, doesn't matter. Always have 2 points of contact. Okay, dive safe, and always inspect your safety gear, which is the buoy, the rope, the pulley system, their lanyards, of course, and always inspect them regularly before going into the water.